If your Twitter background or banner looks blurry like this, here's how to fix this. There are a couple of things you want to do. First of all, the uploaded Twitter banner image has 1:3 aspect ratio. 1:3. So when you make your own banner for Twitter, you want to make sure your banner has 1:3 aspect ratio. So this doesn't have 1:3 aspect ratio, so I'm going to change it to 1:3 aspect ratio. This is now 1:3 aspect ratio. I say a couple of things you want to do, but there are actually 3 things you want to make sure. And the second thing is, when you look at the image size, height 1000 and width is 3000, so it's a 1:3 aspect ratio, but it doesn't have to be that big. As far as I'm concerned, I found about half the size, 500 height and 1500 width to be sufficient and adequate, and optimum even. So okay, the third thing I always make sure is, you probably want to make sure is how you save it, the settings when you save it. And when you save your banner image, I suggest you use PNG, ping. And as you can see, there are a couple of options, PNG 8 and 24. 8 means it uses less number of colors, so I suggest you use 8 instead of 24. As you can see, there are less color variety. This prevents the blurriness of the image. Since there are less options for the color, it doesn't create those fuzzy variations of the colors, so it creates clear-cut edges and clear-cut color. And save. Now I'm back to the Twitter profile. So this is the background image I have right now. I'm gonna open a new tab, so it's kind of blurry here and here, and you can see how blurry it is here. So click edit profile to replace the image, this image with the one just I created. And so this is the one I just created, and open, apply, save. Voila, and now it looks better even in here. And when I open it, there's no blurriness. Now it's just plain and clean. And let me open up a new image tab, and so this is a new one, and this is before, after, done.